Now, dear students, this is Vishnu Verma here. Welcome to all of you. Now, today again, we are going to continue with the leftover part of the narration, that is direct and indirect speech. जिसको हम direct indirect speech बोलते हैं. So let us do the quick revision once again. That what is narration? Narration is basically the spoken words of the speaker. अगर जो स्पीकर ने कहा है उसके एज इट इज स्पोकन वर्ड्स को हम उसी फॉर्म में रख देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच. एंड इफ वी स्पीक in our own words, then that is called indirect speech. If we put or express the words of the narrator in our own way, that is called indirect speech. And if we put the exact words of the speaker, that is called direct speech. And we did that if the reporting verb said is in past tense, then the verb in the reported speech will also be in past tense. That's a general basic rule about narration. हमने ये किया था. फिर हमने ये भी किया था कि if the reporting verb is in present tense, like says, or if the reporting verb is in future tense, will say, then the verb in the reported verb, then the verb in the reported speech will not change at all. verb के ऊपर कोई असर नहीं होगा. जैसे कि look over here, he said, Priya is a good girl. हमने ये बताया था आप लोग को. If you remember, this is reported speech. This is your reporting verb or introductory verb, and this the sentence written within inverted commas is your reported speech. ये बताया था. And I told you that is the reporting verb is in past tense. If it is in past tense, then the verb in the reported speech will also change to past tense. जैसे कि he said Priya is a good girl, so he said that Priya was a good girl. ये बताया था मैंने आपको. And it will end with full stop, and this is called your indirect speech. Indirect speech ये किया था हम लोगों ने. And it will end with full stop, and it will be joined by conjunction that. This that is your conjunction, joining word. In that speech, there is no need of conjunction that. It is separated by the reporting verb, separated by comma, and the exact words of the speaker is put within inverted commas and any punctuation mark. कोई भी जो punctuation mark आएगा वो inverted comma के पहले आएगा. This I told you, I made it clear. Then I said that if the reporting verb is in, I'm sorry, I told you there's one general exception to this rule. इसका एक exception है कि in case of universal truth, or scientific facts, इस केस में रूल बदल जाएंगे. दिस इज एन एक्सेप्शन टू द जनरल रूल. इसमें क्या होगा कि इवन दो द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस, द वर्ब इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विल नॉट चेंज एट ऑल. कैसे? जैसे कहा द टीचर सेड द सन is the biggest star. The sun is the biggest star. So this is scientific fact. Scientifically prove किया गया है, चेंज नहीं होगा. The teacher said जो चीज चेंज नहीं होती. So the teacher said that, sorry, my writing is not so good, but you should focus on the content. I am just revising it. The teacher said that the sun is the biggest star. Full stop. Is has not changed. Is has not been changed to was. इसको was में नहीं change किया. Verb is not changed at all. There is no change in the verb. उसी तरह से universal fact में जैसे mother said honesty is a good policy, तो mother said that honesty is the good policy, not was the good. क्योंकि was कह देंगे इसका मतलब अब नहीं है. तो ये universal fact और scientific sorry universal truth और scientific fact जो होते हैं they never change. That's why the verb remains the same. इसलिए verb same रहता है. Now I hope that you understood. I also told you. I also told you that if the reporting verb is in present tense, like he says, there is no ink in the ink pot. There's no ink in the ink pot. He says there's no ink in the ink pot. So if the reporting verb is in present tense, अगर reporting verb आपका present tense में है, then again the verb in the reported speech will not change. Like, see, he says that there is no ink in the ink pot. Then if the reporting was in future tense, like the teacher will say Ria secured good marks. रिया को अच्छे नंबर मिले. The teacher will say that रिया, एक चीज ध्यान रखिएगा, अगर कोई नाम आएगा बीच में, if any name comes in between, that's a proper noun. You must मतलब बहुत जरूरी, you must keep it with capital letter. Otherwise, your entire, this is grammar. In grammar and mathematics, there is no space for error. One small error, entire thing goes wrong. Even in maths, you can get the marks on working, but grammar, in case of grammar, there is no such marks. कोई working में marks नहीं मिलता. गलत तो गलत. The teacher will say that Ria secured good marks. Full stop. ये बताया था. फिर मैंने आपको जनरल रूल बताए थे, like simple present tense changes to simple past tense. For example, see, he said, Rahul writes a letter. राहुल लेटर लिखता है. So simple present will change to simple past. He said that Rahul wrote a letter. Now Similarly, present continuous changes to past continuous. Tense. Example, Ravi said, mother is cooking food. Mother is cooking food. So, Ravi said that whenever there is continuous tense, whether it is simple present, simple past or whatever, so we will put being, B-E-I-N-G, being लगाते हैं. So Ravi said that, sorry, अभी यहाँ नहीं लगेगा, यहाँ हम लोग नरेशन कर रहे हैं, वो दूसरी बात थी, sorry. So Ravi said mother is cooking food. So present continuous changes to past continuous. So Ravi said that mother was cooking food. Full stop. ये किया था हमने. Then present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. Present perfect जो है past perfect change हो जाता है. Example, he said, the teacher has taught the lesson. Present perfect has is there, shows perfection, means the work has just finished. So the teacher said, देखिए आप लोग, the teacher said that, sorry, एक मिनट गड़बड़ होगी, कोई बात नहीं. तो he said the teacher has taught the lesson. So इसको इंडाइट करेंगे तो कैसे होगा? He said, इसे पकड़ चलेंगे, that the teacher has को had भी चेंज कर देंगे, had taught the lesson. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका. अब प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस चेंज हो जाएगा, किसमें हो जाएगा? चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. ही सेड, it has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. मतलब काम जो है पास्ट में शुरू हुआ और अभी तक चल रहा है. The work started some time back in the past and is still continuing at the time of speaking. So he said that it had been raining since morning. पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम होगा तो सिंस यूज करेंगे और ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम होगा तो फॉर यूज करेंगे. जैसे इट हैड, जैसे वन एग्जांपल, ही सेड दैट इट हैज बीन रेनिंग फॉर 4 hours. ड्यूरेशन दे दिया तो फॉर लग गया. पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दे दिया सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस 9 o'clock, सिंस 8 o'clock, तो सिंस लग गया. तो दिस मच यू हैव डन. देन हमने इसके बाद क्या किया था? इसके बाद हमने बताया था कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस changes to past perfect tense. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस पास्ट परफेक्ट में चेंज होता है. एग्जांपल से देखेंगे. He said we returned early. So he said that we had returned early. और past continuous tense changes to past perfect continuous tense. इसको भी एग्जांपल देखें. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस जो होता है वो पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में चेंज हो जाता है. कैसे? He said all were laughing. आई है. all were laughing at the beggar. सब लोग भिखारी के ऊपर हंस रहे थे. So he said that all had been had been लग जाएगा. laughing at the beggar. फुल स्टॉप. ये हो गया. इतना हम लोगों ने किया था. नाउ we'll begin the next part. Changes in pronoun. How the changes in pronoun takes place in narration. In narration. Like for example, pronouns of first person. First person क्या होता है? I, we. So he said, I am busy now. Look at the sentence. He said, I am busy now. तो क्या होगा इसका इनडायरेक्ट? ही सेड, रूल रूल वही चलेगा, जनरल रूल विल बी फॉलोड। ही सेड, उसने अपने लिए कहा, ही सेड आई एम बिजी बिजी नाउ। तो ही सेड फॉलोड बाय कंडीशन दैट क्या, he said that he am will change to was, he was busy then, he was busy then। एक और देखेंगे, he said I have done my work। क्या होगा? he said that क्या, he had done his work। एक और देखेंगे, he said I will go there। क्या हो जाएगा? he said that he would go there। ये प्रोनाउन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन, ये आपका फर्स्ट पर्सन था, फर्स्ट पर्सन। आई होप दिस वाज क्लियर टू यू। आपको क्लियर हो गया इतना? नरेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रामर। आई रिपीट अगेन, मैं फिर से कहूंगा ये चीज, क्योंकि नरेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन योर स्कूल करिकुलम, इन योर स्कूल कोर्स, in any competitive examinations, as well as in the daily usage। So it should be clear to you, and the best way is practice। तो जितना मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं उतना अगर आप फॉलो करते जाएंगे, इफ यू कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग इट स्ट्रिक्टली, then nobody can stop you getting perfection in it। It's a very important topic। Now let's move, we'll come on to second person in narration, how we use it। Second person means you are talking to next person when you make the use of you। जैसे he said to me, he said to me means अब दो लोग आ गए, एक ही हो गया एक मैं हो गया। he said to me comma you are wrong, तुम गलत हो। he said to me you are wrong। अब जब दो लोग आ गए, when there is an entry of two people, then we basically use told। so he told me, उसने मुझसे कहा। he told to me नहीं, he told me, he told me। फिर जनरल रूल दैट, क्या, मेरे मुझसे कहा, मैं मतलब आई, he told me that I, आ था, was जाएगा, पास्ट टेंस जाएगा, I was wrong. He told me that I was wrong. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. Bali said to Ashok. बाली ने अशोक से कहा, देखते क्या कहा. You are a good boy. तुम अच्छे बच्चे हो. ये हमेशा ध्यान रखिए. कीप इट ऑलवेज माइंड दैट योर पंक्चुएशन मार्क फुल स्टॉप will come before the inverted comma. Otherwise, the sentence will go wrong. One simple mistake, the sentence will go wrong. So, Bali told Ashok. बाली ने अशोक से कहा that he was a, क्या कहा कि वो बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है. He was a good boy. एक और देखेंगे. The teacher said to John, you have not done your work. तुमने अपना काम नहीं किया है. एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर. क्या हो जाएगा. द टीचर सेड, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, द टीचर टोल्ड जॉन दैट, क्या यू जगह ही लग जाएगा. दैट ही हैड नॉट डन हिज वर्क. समझ में आया. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. दिस सेकंड पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. सेकंड पर्सन. और keep it this much only. Pronoun of the second person. Second person. Okay. Now, third person. थर्ड पर्सन पे आते हैं. प्रोनाउन ऑफ द थर्ड पर्सन. इसमें क्या होता है थर्ड पर्सन. बेसिकली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समबडी हु इज नॉट हियर, who is far away. Like Harish said to me. हरीश ने मुझसे कहा. क्या कहा. he is not well. वो ठीक नहीं है, उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. he is not well. So Harish told me that he was not well. ये हुआ. एक और देखेंगे। रवि सेड टू मी शी इज नॉट टू ब्लेम। उसको ब्लेम नहीं लगाना चाहिए। शी इज नॉट टू ब्लेम। क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? लुक हियर, देखिए क्या हो जाएगा। रवि टोल्ड, वेरी गुड, मी दैट शी वॉज नॉट टू ब्लेम। ये हो गया। एक और देखो। प्रिया हैज डन हर वर्क। He told me that Priya had done her work। तो ये हो गया। तो प्रोनाउन फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन। थर्ड पर्सन क्या हो जाएगा? ही, शी, दे। सेकंड पर्सन में क्या हो जाएगा? यू, योर। ओके। अब एक चीज और बताऊं आपको। सो होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस। अब इसमें चेंजेस क्या होते हैं, कैसे करते हैं इसमें हम? सो वर्ड्स showing nearness are changed to words showing distance। जो नियरनेस दिखाते हैं उनको डिस्टेंस में चेंज कर देते हैं। कैसे? जैसे मे किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? माइट में चेंज हो जाता है, इनडायरेक्ट में। शैल किस में चेंज हो जाता है? शुड में चेंज हो जाता है। विल किस में चेंज होता है? वुड में चेंज हो जाता है। नाउ किस में चेंज हो जाता है? देन में। दिस चेंजेस टू दैट। अच्छा, दोस्त तो आपका दोस्त भी रहता है। दोस्त विल रिमेन टू दोज ओनली। सॉरी, नहीं नहीं, दीज। These changes to those. These changes to those. Then here changes to there. Ago changes to before. Ago changes to before. Today changes to that day. Today जो है that day में change हो जाता है. It changes to that day. Okay. Tomorrow changes to the next day. Yesterday changes to the day before or the previous day. Last night. Last night change होती है the previous night. Night or the night before. ऐसे changes होते हैं. ठीक है. So you should copy it down and practice. Once I finish with the entire topic, then I will give you the practice sets to do. We'll do it together. I believe in doing together with my students. That's the best part of learning. Okay. So now till here for today. Now I'm ending. My lecture ends now. Thank you.